The do's. Calculate the protection requirement, how much life cover, critical illness, or permanent total disability you need based on your requirements and lifestyle. Establish a budget, monthly or annually, that is realistic, sustainable, and affordable for yourself and your dear ones to be protected in case the worst should happen. Get different quotes, preferably from international providers, and understand the key features of the product. Read the key features document, as while similar, they tend to be acting different in particular circumstances. Have a full understanding how the cover works, death, critical illness, permanent disability, as when and how yourself or your family can claim. Decide what's best for you, only once you have the full picture, need, costs, features. Sign the application without delay. Remember, you just acknowledged you are not Superman nor a fortune teller, and unforeseen events can happen at any time. As some providers tend to cover accidental death, TNCs applicable, from the moment they receive the application, without receiving any premiums. Provide full information on the application, health and lifestyle questionnaire, and be as accurate as possible. Keep paying the premiums for as long as is needed and cancel the policy once it's not needed anymore. No more financial dependence and or already relying on income-generating assets as a constant source of income. Let someone that you trust know about your protection arrangements. It would be a shame for you to pay and nobody to know that there can be a claim. Wills are a good place to mention them, for example. The don'ts. Don't ever think that the premium is not a cost, as it is a cost. The cost of your peace of mind and the cost of your financial security and of your families. Don't take a higher cover than needed, as that would generate a higher cost and eventually you will cancel it. Don't take a lower cover than needed, unless the cost of what's needed is unaffordable at the present point and is much better doing something rather than nothing, to provide to yourself and dear ones peace of mind. Don't provide inaccurate information on the application, as it might lead to a non-payment upon claiming. If you touched any form of nicotine in the last 12 months, then you are a smoker. There is no such thing as social smoker, for example, and in order to save approximately 30% of the monthly cost, many are tempted to lie on the application. Just don't. Don't delay the medicals, part of the underwriting process. For critical illness cover, usually there is a 90-day buffer from the first premium paid to effective cover. Get covered at the earliest. Don't buy based on a verbal explanation of the product. You can be lied to or passed on wrong information based on the lack of knowledge on the advisor's side. Always read the key features document. Don't drop the insurance application if you get rated. That means your medical results are not showing a good lifestyle. Get the protection up and running. Adjust your lifestyle. Reapply 6 to 12 months later, and once accepted at standard rates, cancel the rated policy. Don't lie to yourself. You are not Superman nor a fortune teller. I know this might be repetitive, but you can't imagine how many times I came across Superman or the fortune teller in my practice. Don't ever buy life insurance to make your family rich in case you die, as a main purpose or drive to purchase. Avoid having a joint life policy. While assets can be divided in case of a divorce, life policies can't. I know nobody wants to think of a divorce, but guess what? They happen, as well as death happens. Don't ever think that you don't need to look into your protection arrangements ever again. Lifestyle and needs are constantly changing, so it is very likely for the protection requirements to change as well, up as well as down. Always available to take questions and hear your views. www.investexplained.com